Alright, Steve,
Darren?
you're coming in.
Whoa! Oh, it's freezing, mate.
Just warming up. Anyway, how's you? How's your bird?
My bird?
Yeah, your bird.
Same old, mate. Nag, nag, bloody nag, as usual. Anyway, heard on the grapevine you've got yourself a nice new bird.
Well,
Eh? What happened with Jane?
don't know, mate. Just seemed a bit weird. Didn't quite fit in. Had a real temper.
Great chest, though.
Smashing tits.
Oh, so what's your new bird like?
Well, bit younger than me.
Yeah?
But we have great fun, though.
Oh, I can imagine. Oh, shit. It's Tony.
What's wrong with Tony?
Mate, he's a prized cock. And his bird is mental.
All right, lads.
Tony?
Carol?
Here, lads. Did you hear about Kieran?
He emigrated, didn't he?
To America.
Lucky bugger.
He got hit by a car.
Shit.
Yeah,
Shit.
yeah.
Shit. You alright?
He's dead.
That's terrible.
Yeah, there are worse ways to go.
Yeah, definitely worse ways to go.
There are definitely worse ways to go. Shut up, Carol.
Yeah, Carol, shut up. Bloody birds. Anyway, starting a warm up now.
Yeah, lovely.